US federal court across multiple states have ruled against immigration and customs enforcement in cases involving Indian nationals, finding unlawful detentions without bond hearings or due process protections. In California, a district court ordered the release of Indian national Vikas Kumar, stating that ICE revoked his parole without notice, explanation, or a hearing, violating his constitutional rights. In Michigan, federal judges granted relief to Indian citizens Varun Varun and Sumit Tulsibai Patel, ruling that ICE strongly placed them under mandatory detention despite them already living in the United States. Michigan court ordered immigration authorities to provide prompt bond hearings or release the detainees, citing due process concerns. In Pennsylvania, a district court ordered the release of Amut Kanoth, rejecting the government's claim that he was subject to mandatory detention as an applicant for admission. The judge noted that Kanoth has been residing in the United States for nearly 3 years and that detaining him without a bond hearing offends due process. Across the cases, courts criticized a government policy directing ICE to treat undocumented immigrants already living in the country as subject to mandatory detention. Judges reaffirmed that parole or bond cannot be revoked without notice, reasons, and opportunity to be heard. The rulings add to growing judicial pushback against ICE detention practices. Courts stressed that immigration enforcement must comply with constitutional due process, including for Indian nationals seeking asylum in the United States.